Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, my name is Makeup and I'm addicted to makeup. I treat my face as a blank canvas and the application of makeup is for me like painting a picture with the subtle difference that such creation lasts only for one day. This time Morphe 35b palette came into my hand and this beautiful turquoise shade attracted my attention so much, so I've decided to make it a star of this show. First, I'm going to create violet purple smoke above the crease. So after priming my lids, I'm moving to applying this lilac light violet shadow in my crease as a transition shade. And I'm using fluffy brush for this. I don't present any brushes because I often use some no-name brushes as long as they fulfill their functions. Next, with more precise brush, bigger pencil brush, I'm applying purple shade which is slightly darker than this previous one. And I'm going to use this for my crease as well, but I'm going to try to focus a little more precisely in my crease. So you will still see that light violet peeking right above it. I'm trying to apply it in the form of some kind of wing. About this light violet color, I'm blending with fluffy brush a little bit of this magenta color from Mercure brand. Again adding purple color and blending with this brush which was used to apply a light lilac violet shade. To give my eyes even more depth, I'm adding to my crease this dark violet plum color and blending. Next, I'm going to cut the crease with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. First, I used angle brush for this. However, it wasn't quite a good choice, so I've changed it into small synthetic flat brush. For my my lid I've chosen this beautiful turquoise color and I'm packing it onto my lid using short thick shader brush. Here I'm darkening upper waterline. And I'm drawing winged liner with cut von D ink liner. I'm running out of it, so I've switched to another liner. Sorry, I don't remember the brand. It is also quite long-lasting and precise. I will try to find it and write what it was below in the description box. Here I'm going to remove unnecessary part of blending below the wing. Here I've decided to add some extra element of this eye look in the form of drawing black thin line exactly in my crease, up to half of it. Certainly there's no harm in looking out of the window and check what's going on out there. I'm adding glittery silver line right below this black line just to emphasize cut creasing even more. To be honest, I don't really like myself in such kind of eye makeup. I think my hooded eyes and generally the shape of my lids are not good for such makeup, and my eyes seem to be more red than they actually are, wearing these violet shadows. But what we don't do for the art. and the lower eyelid. After priming, I'm just duplicating blending from the upper lid, which is this light violet lilac shadow as the first shade, and then this darker violet purple color. And finally, close to my lash line, this dark plum shade. In my inner corner, I'm applying this beautiful eyeshadow shimmering on pink from Anastasia Subculture palette. Now quickly false lashes. I skipped through applying foundation, concealer and contouring as I didn't use anything new. I'm referring you to my other films, please see the cards in upper right corner. And now quickly mascara on lower lashes, consistently Max Factor 2000 calories. And for lips, I chose Rouge Edition Velvet by Bourjois in shade 07. And before I forget, I'm removing the excess of powder after baking. Correcting eyeliner a little bit. And yes, that's the final look. I think this eye look is amazing and I'm obsessed with it, but as I said previously, unfortunately this makeup doesn't fit me. I don't look good in pinkish violet purple shades. Maybe if the whole blending was made in shades of brown, it would look better on me. I don't know. Let me guys know what do you think about it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If so, please give me a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe my channel to be up to date with my videos. See you in my next makeup routine. Bye!
Drop.